directly joined up to other spot heights, and kind of said to me, you know, is that okay? And if so, I still don't get how you work out, like for example, I think where, say the 43.4, let's say it was up there, comes in to meet this line across here, alright? So the first thing I had to kind of explain to the person was that this 43.2 line meant that was basically a spot height at 43.2. Because you touch any of that and that line is 43.2, okay? So most of you in here get that, okay? I'm not naming any names, and the person might not even be here at the moment, or maybe late. But the next step was to look at this line over here. Now I'm going to exaggerate that and make it a lot longer. And I'm going to put the two levels there, 43.39 and 43.2. Sorry, 49, yes, correct. Hold on. No, not half a mark, sorry. It's early in the morning for that. And somehow he didn't quite see the correlation from that, or maybe he was getting a bit mixed up that this was on an angle and that was on an angle, but I'm showing like a long section through there. So when you're showing a long section, you're showing the vertical differences. That's obviously the lower one, lower height. We do that with a triangle. And this is the higher height. And so we use a method called equilateral triangles to work out exactly where this line here is. Now it's going to be roughly about there. We don't know exactly where, but we can work it out mathematically. So let's call that X. Now we know that that's 43.40, because that's what we've got to look for, 43.40. We don't know the length of X, but what we do know is the length of this one here. So to get that, we list that line in AutoCAD, and it came to, I think, 3.06. And so therefore you look at the big triangle, and this depth here is 0.49. Sorry, 1.49. Is that right? From 2 to 49 is 1.49, right? All right there? Yeah. So it's 1.49 divided by 3.06 equals, with equilateral triangles, this distance here from 4 back down to 2 is going to be equal to 0.2. Right? Yeah, 0.20. That's not 1.49, that's 0.49. Yeah. So 0.49 over 3.6 is going to be equal to 0.2 over X. Big pardon?
No, the 0.49 is 0.29. Yeah, 29.
291. So, confusing myself. So therefore, x equals. Someone wants to do that. 0 point what? What? 0 point. No, 2.1. Yes, correct. 2.1. So if we were also trying to find the distance from there to there, which would be y, then that would be simply 3.06 minus 2.11, which equals 0.9 something. 95 here. Right? To me, that's a lot of calculations. I do have a lot of students that are very good at maths in